Hi there, welcome back to Mr. Moneyphone. My name's Ryan and today I'll be showing you how to save locations on Maps using the iPhone 13 Pro. First, open up the Maps app and then find the location you want to save. Swipe down and you'll find Add to Favorites. Now this will be saved in your favorites. And you can see here at the top, you can see your favorites. And there is the location that we just saved. And that is how to save locations in Maps using the iPhone 13 Pro.